Have you ever wondered if your favorite juicy tomato could do more than just brighten up your salads? Well, you're in for a treat. In the world of Chinese medicine, tomatoes are celebrated as powerful allies for your health. Whether you're looking to boost your skin's glow, support your digestion, or balance your energy, tomatoes have got you covered. Let's dive into the vibrant world of tomatoes and discover their amazing healing properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, tomatoes are classified as a cooling and sour food. This means they help clear excess heat from the body and promote the smooth flow of qi, the vital energy that keeps us balanced and energized. Feeling a bit overheated or dealing with inflammation? A tomato might just be what you need to restore harmony. But that's not all. Tomatoes are known to moisten dryness, making them perfect for soothing dry throats, parched skin, and even aiding digestion. They enter the liver and stomach meridians, supporting healthy liver function and enhancing digestive health. If you're experiencing bloating or sluggish digestion, incorporating tomatoes into your diet can help get things moving smoothly again. Now, let's talk about beauty. In Chinese medicine, the cooling nature of tomatoes helps reduce puffiness and redness, promoting clearer, more radiant skin. That's why tomato slices are a classic remedy for soothing sunburns and calming irritated skin. Plus, the rich antioxidants in tomatoes, like lycopene, protect your skin from environmental damage and keep you looking youthful. From a modern perspective, tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and fiber, they support heart health, boost your immune system, and aid in digestion. And let's not forget their delicious versatility. Whether raw, cooked, or juiced, tomatoes add a burst of flavor and nutrition to any meal. So how can you make the most of these juicy gems? Try adding fresh tomato slices to your salads, blending them into a refreshing smoothie, or cooking them into a hearty tomato soup. For a TCM-inspired twist, pair tomatoes with cooling herbs like mint or cilantro to enhance their digestive benefits and create a balanced, flavorful dish. Next time you bite into a tomato, remember it's not just a tasty treat, it's a bundle of healing energy. Whether you're aiming to cool down, moisturize your skin, or support your digestion, tomatoes are a fantastic addition to your healing journey. What's your favorite way to enjoy tomatoes? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves food as medicine. See you next time on Healing Foods.